Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Oceania, and Africa. This, as you can see, works worldwide, and you won't need a camera or any skills in order to get paid. So stay tuned to learn how. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So the very first site that I'll be showing you today is called Shutterstock.com. This is actually the site that will be paying us. Now, Shutterstock is a place where you could literally find thousands upon thousands of royalty-free images. Meaning, when you download them, you can use them literally however you want. And the reason so many people are using Shutterstock is simply because it's far cheaper to pay a set amount of money per month and download images that were taken by professional photographers rather than to buy a camera and try to take them yourself, or alternatively, having to pay a photographer. So this is why Shutterstock is so extremely popular. It's just simply a cheaper, easier alternative if you want to find great looking images. Now, you will find on their homepage some of the world's biggest companies. You have the likes of Google, AMC, BuzzFeed, and Marvel. So it's definitely a legitimate website. Now, as I said, this site will indeed pay us. And as you may guess, this means that we will have to upload photos here. But here's the kicker. You won't need a camera or any skills for this purpose. I know that most of you who are watching this don't have a camera, let alone skills or experience in photography. So I'll make it clear right away that you won't need them. Now, something that makes Shutterstock so great to make money online with is that you'll essentially be making money in passive income. The way you get paid is simple, and when someone downloads your photo, you get paid a set amount of money. And since your photos stay here forever, that means you can make money in pure passive income. You just upload the photos here and leave them be, and that's all that it is. Your work is essentially done. Moreover, something that makes Shutterstock even better to get paid by uploading images is the fact that it's so popular. Using this site that I've shown quite a few times on my channel already, called similarweb.com, you can see exact statistics on how much traffic any website out there gets in the past few months, and whether or not the numbers are increasing or decreasing. And as far as Shutterstock is concerned, the numbers are increasing. So basically, not only are there millions of people visiting Shutterstock, meaning that you have a great opportunity to make a lot of money, but the numbers have been increasing as of late. So it's a great time to start using it to get paid. Anyway, back on Shutterstock, I want to show you precisely what you need to do when you come first here. And that is to scroll down to the very bottom and then click on Sell Your Content, which is located just under the For Contributors section. Doing so will take you straight over here. And on this page are several things I'd like to show you. First off, you can see in a bit more detail how this works. So basically, photographers take their pictures, they then upload them on Shutterstock, and they will make money every time their content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. So like I said before, the more downloads on your photo, the more money that you will make. And since this site gets so much traffic, it's virtually guaranteed that you will get paid a decent sum. Lastly, here you can see that you can also refer people here to earn more money. And this site is actually fantastic to promote as an affiliate, and I'll go over that later on. For now, the last thing I want to show you is something you saw in that intro. By clicking on See Global Earnings, you will see that this site is worldwide available. I've been getting a ton of comments from people who want sites that are available in most countries, and Shutterstock definitely is. If you're from Africa, Asia, or wherever, it doesn't matter. This site will work in your country, and you can make money using it. In any case, to get started working for Shutterstock, what you need to do is Come back over here and click on Get Started. Then just enter in your basic information, create an account, and you're good to go. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. With that done, let me show you the site where you can get the set photo guys, and idplr.com is what you will want to use. This is a site where you can find not only images but also various other products, and you can see which products exactly by hovering your mouse over products here. You've got ebooks, softwares, videos, templates, graphics, and music. And since we are after photos, you'll want to click on with resell rights, located just under the graphics section. That will take you over here. As you've seen, it said resell rights. That means we have the full rights to make money off of these photos. And something I really like about this site, that I think you will too, is that these photos are all grouped up into packages. So you won't have to spend so much time downloading them one by one. Just download one of these packages that contain hundreds up to thousands of different photos. For example, here is one of those that I've opened up. If you scroll down here, you'll see this that it can be sold by you. Yes, you can sell this and make money off of it. Something to note is that you also have some things you can't do, such as modify the product. So keep that in mind and make sure to read all of these before downloading the photos. In any case, to download it, you just have to click on download right here. However, in order to do that, you'll need an account. So you just click here and create one real quick. Once you do, you will want to download all of the packages you can find here, and then just come back over to Shutterstock and upload all of these photos you've just gotten. And since there will be so many of them, that enables you to make a lot more money in passive income. Since we're literally talking about thousands of photos here. Now with that said, for those of you who have stayed with me up until this point, I actually have a bonus strategy for you to earn even more money in passive income. How? Well, through their referral program, and that, if you remember, I mentioned a while ago. To get started as an affiliate, simply scroll down to the bottom once more and click on affiliate located under the partner section. And just check this out, guys. Join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. So a single person you refer here, you can earn up to $300. It's insane, right? Shutterstock is one of the highest paying sites out there as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. So it is definitely worthwhile to promote it as an affiliate by using various social media platforms like Facebook, for example. Of course, you don't need to, but it is a great option in my opinion, since the money will start adding up when you add in the affiliate program. Lastly, in case you're a photographer or you want to become one and you have a camera, then that's the best option out of all, since taking the photos yourself will add originality. To top it all off, you will be able to do what you love, so in that case, you don't need my strategy in order to get paid. Alright, so that's it for this one. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and see you all in some of the next videos.